Hello everyone, this is Ramon Jerez speaking, and I'm an associate professor of mechanical engineering at the UPC. I'm also one of the professors involved in this project that was funded by the Unite network, and we are very thankful for that. Throughout the project, an international team of students from TU Darmstadt, Universidade de Lisboa and UPC worked together to solve a problem of the manufacturing industry in terms of sustainability. But the project did not only have technical challenges, it also presented challenges arising from the fact that the students came from different cultures and they had to solve the problems by adapting to other ways of thinking and doing.
Like, we had a little bit problems with task responsibilities. So maybe I know there's a tool, it's called Trello. We could use it to narrow the task down to each person. Then you can say, okay, this person has this job to do, and so we can track a little bit more the tasks that are needed to be done. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so I think the problem that we had maybe was when starting to write the report.
In the project, each university we know what each university has to do, but there's something that is not described and we face issues there. So with the communication and with the common WhatsApp group, I think we come to a conclusion how we solve the issue. Yeah,
I agree.
Firstly, I learned the communication skills as an international student is very important, and the second one is I learned a lot about work as a team.
Yeah, maybe for me it was at first there was a lot of chaos. In a lot of phases, we don't know which task to start with. For me it was taking a little bit of the control, so I can redirect the tasks to individual persons, so we can get a better start to the project.
I thought that maybe at first the communication between entities or universities would be a little bit more difficult, but it was actually pretty fluent, and I really think that amazed me.
Yeah, I'll obviously say the teamwork, because the intercultural and the inter-university exposure that I received from it was exceptionally good. That I come to from Germany, I come to Portugal, then to Spain to experience how the projects works between different universities, how we collaborated. It will be a good bonus, I would say, from getting an international exposure. Yeah.
In the centers to travel, for example, people that don't have the opportunities to do Erasmus or another kind of programs that make you study abroad. I think that this project was really important in the way, not just to obviously to learn, because in the end it's a project about a theme, and a mechanical theme in this case.
Experienced a good intercultural diversified things from different universities. So one who wish to have good exposure and have to have a team or friends from other countries, connection with professors from other universities, this project will add a boost to your career, and it will be a good overall nice experience if you take the risk of doing a project internationally.
I advise students to take this course because this course has many opportunities, like travel internationally, and you work with the different cultures students, and you learn lots of things like communication skills.
It makes you be a little bit more uncomfortable, but I think that's quite a positive part, because then you have to work not just on yourself but getting to know people.
It makes a different kind of bonding that you couldn't get just to studying in your home city or in your university city.
My advice would be that take the risk and take it, because I think it helps you talk with people, get to know other countries, other people also, yeah.